Hey Brew, welcome to Fast Home Brew. Yep, it's New Zealand Pale time, if that is a thing, I don't know. I'm basically making a single hop pale with Nelson and some New Zealand malts. And what's going on back there? Well, all my plumbing's going wrong. That's where the water main burst last week or two, and it all came out. And this is the second issue with the blocked drain that I had, and they had to find that inspection point there to get to it. And then they couldn't find this inspection point, which is now orange, so it should be easy to find. But I had to clear all this area out, so there's all the trees and stuff that I had to cut down. And then the plumber tried to get in through the drain here, and he got his spring jigger stuck in there. I had to dig a massive hole and raise his other two inspection points, which went there. So it's cost a lot of money. Oh yeah, and then the fence decided to try and fall over. So good thing the neighbour's a builder. He's gone ahead with repairing it. That stops Max from getting through, so that's a little bit handy, but I've got a lot of mess to clean up and it's not finished yet. So anyway, back to it. This is my malts. As I said, it's all Gladfield, I think it is how you say it. That's a New Zealand malt, and it's 85% pale, 10% Munich, and 5% Crystal Rye. And these rice hulls going in because it's rye, even though I don't really need to, but I've got them, so I may as well use them because I don't have any other use for them. So, and the bag's trying to fall off. Occasionally this happens to me, but I've normally switched the camera off. But yeah, today the bag's trying to jump into the pot, so I'll just hook it over the handle there. So, and tell you what, this whisk does a really good job. I don't know if I've really sung its praises before, but it actually really does work. So, okay, time for a mash. So it gets covered up for an hour. Clip the old thingy on, and then New Zealand mascots. We've got a kiwi and a little sheep there, so they are going to keep it warm for an hour, and that's an hour going past. So time to lift up the grain bag, get it out of the urn, and all good. Up she comes, and under goes my very good. And oh yeah, this bag clip stops it from all flopping over. So now, oh hang on. What's with this phone? What do you do with the phone? Oh no, I'll just throw it. There we go. I'll throw the phone. And that comes out. And now sparging a little bit. And actually I'm finding sparging is working really well for me. Maybe I'll explain why later. These are Nelson hops, which I really like. And I love the guys at my local homebrew store, but they changed the packet that they put the hops in recently, and it's really hard to get them out now. I know a few of you use Beer Belly, and you probably can say the same thing, but anyway, never mind. That is 20 grams for bittering, and bittering it up to about 36 IBUs, and 50 grams, which is about 2 per litre late, and those are my dry hops. That whole bag is going to be dry hops. So I also forgot to, it's boiling, but I forgot to pour that bit in, so now it's not boiling anymore. So wait a few minutes, and they're boiling again, and 1 hour, and in go the hops. So good. An hour goes by, and there we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn off. Now in 5 minutes, I'm going to chuck in that late edition, and I've just realised as I'm recording this audio that I totally forgot to put the well flock in and the yeast nutrient. But anyway, there we go. Now I've just got to stop what's going on. So anyway, you've seen me do all this stuff before, so today I'm just going to tell a joke instead. So there is a ventriloquist on holiday in New Zealand, and he's driving along and his car breaks down. So he walks to a local farm, finds the farmer, who lets him make a call, and while he's waiting, he says to the farmer, "Hey," says the ventriloquist, "do you mind if I talk to some of your animals?" And the farmer goes, "Oh, don't be silly, animals can't talk." But the ventriloquist isn't whatever. He goes up to the horse and he says, "Hey horse, how's it going?" And the horse says, "Oh, it's really good. My master feeds me and there's plenty of room to run around." And the farmer just looks stunned, and he goes up to the dog, and the farmer says, "Dogs can't talk." And the ventriloquist goes, "Hey dog, how's it going?" And lo and behold, to the farmer's amazement, the dog says, "Oh, it's great. The farmer lets me in at night, and you know, he feeds me plenty of food and plays with me." And so the farmer's stunned, and the ventriloquist goes up to the sheep, and the farmer shouts out, "Hey, don't you listen to that sheep. That sheep's a liar." Yeah, funny, eh? Sheep jokes. Apparently, the New Zealanders tell the same jokes about Australians, and I believe that the Welsh cop it in other parts of the world. So there you go, common jokes. Anyway, we're done. This is the stuff. There's all the hops. That's some recycled USA 5. There's a mascot. There's Max. We're done. Alright, well, thanks for watching the video. Have a good time. I've actually got the flu, so goodbye from Fast Home Flu. See ya.